So using Adobe Illustrator, if you want to have a shape filled with an image, first step is to open a new document, go to the shape, have the shape on the screen. I want to make sure that the center is filled and the outline is set to a color. The next step is to place your image. So for this, I'm just going to choose the beach scene here. Click place. Drag the image, make sure that it's covering the shape and in position that you want. Take that image, go to Object Arrange, send that to the back. So we have both images. Now we take the Direct Selection tool, select both objects, go to Object, Clipping Mask, Make, and the image is inside the circle here.